guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing and it is the vegan kind lifestyle box. I love this box. I used to have it all the time. It is like a snack box. I think I've had a calendar in it before. It's a bit random, but I love it. They currently have, well, they've always got an offer on their website where if you use the code vegan, you can get any of their boxes with money off. So I'll link that down below. That's nothing to do with me. That's just them. But yeah, what does it say about this one? Let's have a look. A selection of delicious vegan treats and more delivered straight to your door. So that is what we've got today. This arrived a couple of days ago. I've just not had any time. But yeah, let's get in. So it says, be kind, go vegan. I know everyone is doing like vegan January or veganuary, however they're saying it. But yeah, this is a vegan box. I get this. I used to get the subscription a lot and then I stopped for a little while. But now I'm back on it. I started getting it again. I subscribed last month, but it's a 2-monthly. I think this one's every 2 months. Is this one every 2 months? I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen. This is the lifestyle box. Ooh, ooh. So it says this box was carefully packed by Heather and then checked by Susan. And it says, Happy New Year from all of us here at the Vegan Kind. Welcome to the January lifestyle box. This month we are collaborating with our friends at Veganuary again, who campaign for people to go vegan throughout January and beyond, the ultimate New Year's resolution. If there is someone in your life that is interested in going vegan, you should definitely let them know about Veganuary, and they can provide lots of helpful tips and advice for new vegans. And then it tells you what's in the box, but I'm not going to look here. I want to I'll show you guys. It looks good. I'm intrigued by that. So the first thing I've got is Hippies. These are Chickpea Puffs. These are sweet chili haze. I absolutely love these. They do a cheese one as well, and they're also delicious. They're like What's-Its, but they're made of chickpeas and they're just yummy. They're gluten-free, 91 calories a bag. So on Slimming World, they'll be like 4.5 sins, and they're delicious. I really like them. I think you can get big bags of them, can you? They're £1.19. Which is expensive, but again, quite a lot of stuff that is vegan and gluten-free and all that good stuff is expensive, unfortunately. Hopefully, as more people do it, it will become cheaper in price. We can hope. But yeah, let's go and see what else we've got. So I've got some multi-bites, crunchy honeycomb flavoured chocolate-coated malt balls. Ooh, these are like Maltesers. These are Hadley made multi-bites, £1.49. It's a big bag, not £1.49 worth, but Hadley made's creation of vegan-friendly chocolate honeycombed malt balls packed into a handy 50-gram bag, a plant-based crunchy honeycomb, a rice wheat malt cereal ball coated with delicious chocolate. Sounds good. Let's have a look. Oh, they smell really good. They smell like honeycomb. Oh my god, they really do smell like honeycomb. They're not obviously as light as like a Maltesery kind of thing, but they taste amazing. They're really yummy. I like them. Next, I've got Oggs Aquafaba Egg Substitute. I've seen this before. My friend Lucy is vegan, and she has used this for cakes and stuff, and she's an absolutely banging cook. She does the most amazing food. So I'm sure I've eaten this previously when I've been at her house. This is Alternative Foods London Oggs Aquafaba Liquid Egg Substitute 225. So it's 3 tablespoons of this is equivalent to 1 egg. Aquafaba is a liquid egg alternative for your favourite plant-based recipes. Chickpea water that whips and whisks like an egg every time, so you can make like meringues and stuff out of this. Perfect for vegan bacon and egg-free cooking. Used to make vegan cookies, meringues, cake, ice cream, mayo, dressings, brownies, donuts, buns, muffins, and so much more. I will definitely give this a go. How long's the date on it? Oh, it's okay until October. And then once you've opened it, you have 7 days to use it. But that's awesome. I'm getting this one out now because I'm intrigued. Reusable wheat cutlery. I have actually got wheat plates. Wait there. obviously they're all in the dishwasher. I'm not going to show you the front bit because it's got food all over it, but these are our plates. They're like, I got 2 sets there. I've linked them, I got them on Amazon I think, and they're the pink, beige, green and blue, and this is one of the like pale pink ones, but yeah, really like them. So that is what this is. Sturdy and strong, reusable cutlery is kind to the environment. Made of 80% recyclable sources and 20% recyclable plastics. Hot food friendly, cold food friendly. Keep it in your bag and avoid single-use plastic wherever you go. I love that idea. I will put these in my backpack. Backpack. Anyone else think that whenever they say backpack? Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to break it. Get out of your prison. They're so cute. So we've got, oh my God, I love it. So you've got chopsticks. And then you've got a fork and a spoon. I love that. That is so cool. I mean, it's a proper like rice spoon or like a soup spoon. I love that. Put the lid back on. That is going to go straight in my backpack because the amount of times we've been out and one of the kids has something they want to eat and they're like, I need a spoon, and I don't have one. Love it. Next we've got love corn, and we have this corn, not this specific one, we have the salted one all the time. My middle little girl absolutely loves the corn. I remember before this was like love corn, before it was like a popular snack, Holland and Barrett used to sell it like when I was, I want to say like early 20s, and I used to eat it all the time. All my friends were like, oh my God, that fucking stinks. I was like, well, I love it. And now it's popular. But this is the barbecue one. You get this or the salt and vinegar. I wish I'd had the salt and vinegar because I love salt and vinegar. I don't like barbecue, but Ben will eat this. These are 60p, which isn't bad. It's a nice little snack. They do big bags as well. We normally buy a big bag and then she just helps herself. It's the first premium crunchy corn snack. Delicious crunchy corn kernels are packed with flavour and made with love. Perfect on the go, packed on a lunchbox, sprinkled on a salad, or paired with your favourite refreshing beverage. Yes, I love them, just not that flavour. Next, I've got a Sauron Bar, which the baby will have, I'm sure. This is malt loaf. Where are you? 75p. This one has been a little bit smushed, in the middle. Oh, best before the 30th of January. It's got another like week and a bit on that. Sauron plant-based loaf bars are bursting with energy, containing 30% less sugar than the average cereal bar. Delicious and squidgy, satisfying, perfect snack on the go for both before and after exercise. You can get different ones. You can get malt, banana, vegan, chocolate flavours. And so I hate this stuff. I think it is absolutely disgusting. But my mother-in-law loves it, and so does the baby. Next, a caramel chocolate bar, a No-Mo, no missing out, vegan friendly. Dairy is free from dairy, gluten, eggs and nuts. Caramel, No-Mo free from caramel filled chocolate bar, £1.9. Tasty non-dairy alternative to milk chocolate with a vegan caramel centre. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at you. If someone just gave me that bit of chocolate, I'd have literally no clue that that was vegan. It just tastes like a really nice caramel chocolate. Love it. And then last, we've got Bosch super tasty plant-based food lemon fizzle cupcake kit. Awesome. We can make this tomorrow. The kids love stuff like this. So this is zesty, fizzy, amazing. What more do you want from a cupcake? This lemon fizzle cupcake kit from Bosch is the perfect treat alongside a cuppa. You need 1 lemon, water and oil to make these beauties. The mix includes lemon drizzle and popping candy sprinkles to top off the cupcakes. Let us know at Bosch how you get on. £3.49. The cutlery was £4.99 as well. I will put the total value of the box on the screen here now. Yeah, that was the lifestyle box for January. I really liked that. I'm excited to start getting these again. I'll link a few of my older videos that I did beforehand, and you'll see that they were just a really nice, just a nice box to have. And then we've got the Oggs, they've done their favourite recipes as well. So you've got like a little recipe book, which is, oh, bang bang broccoli. Oh, shit the bed, that looks amazing. Oh my god, look at that. That looks incredible. Broccoli, aquafaba flour, milk with like dairy-free milk, chili sauce, garlic powder, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, honey, peanut. Oh my god, how good does that look? You're showing them. How good does that look?
Wait.
Bang bang cauliflower, or no, bang bang broccoli. Looks good, doesn't it? That's the only thing that you're going to want, I think. Find these. They're like Maltesers.
Not right now.
Not right now. He's taken the chickpea things. Oh, and you also get a recipe card every month, which is nice. Here we've got Amy Ryan's artichoke fish cakes with dill mayo. Lovely. They look really good, look. That was the box. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. And I will see you soon. Bye, guys.